In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unblock someone on Facebook Messenger. If you previously blocked someone to stop their messages and calls, but now want to allow contact again, this quick walkthrough on a computer will show you exactly where to go and what to click without any guesswork. Start by opening Facebook in your web browser and signing in if you aren't already. From your Facebook homepage, open the Settings and Privacy menu, then select Settings. This takes you to the main settings area where all your account controls live. We're heading here because unblocking on Messenger is managed from Facebook's settings, not from a chat window. On the left side of the settings page, scroll until you see blocking, and click it. This section organizes different kinds of blocks, so you can control what someone can or can't do when it comes to your profile and messages. Because we're focusing specifically on Messenger, look for the section labeled Block Messages. This is different from blocking someone entirely on Facebook. Block Messages only affects whether they can reach you on Messenger. In the Block Messages section, find the person you want to unblock in the list. If you have many entries, take your time and scan carefully. You can scroll through the names, and if your browser has a Find feature, that can help you locate the exact name faster. When you see the correct person in the Block Messages list, click Unblock next to their name. A confirmation prompt will appear to make sure this is what you want. Confirm the unblocking. Once you confirm, the block on Messenger is lifted immediately. That means the person can send you messages and call you on Messenger again, and you'll receive them as usual. This change applies only to message blocking. If the person was fully blocked on Facebook and other sections, that separate status doesn't automatically change here. A couple of quick notes to keep in mind. Unblocking doesn't send a notification to the other person, and it doesn't add them as a friend or change any of your privacy settings. It simply restores their ability to contact you on Messenger. If you ever change your mind, you can return to the same Block Messages section and block them again. And that's it. Open Facebook, go to Settings and Privacy, then Settings, click Blocking, open Block Messages, find the person, choose Unblock, and confirm. You've successfully unblocked someone on Facebook Messenger.